We recently released a note on the September quarter IT preview. For the quarter, we expect top tier IT company to report 2 to 4% revenue growth. It will be driven by the volume uptake and the cross-currency tailwind. Last quarter, most of the company has faced the negative cross-currency impact of close to 1.4%. This quarter, we expect there will be a positive impact from the cross-currency tailwinds. Further, we expect the volume will be better this quarter. Traditionally, second quarter has always been a strong quarter for the entire IT sector. For the Infosys, we expect a volume uptake of close to 3.4%. Last quarter, the volume growth was soft. It was around 2.4%. At TCS, we expect a volume growth of close to 4%. For other company, HCL Technology and Wipro also, we expect a decent kind of volume growth. Coming to the margins front, we expect most of the company to report a dip in the margin. It was driven by the wage hikes cycle, as some of the companies are taking the wage hike during the quarter. Further, there will be no help coming from the rupee, as on an average sequential basis, the rupee has not depreciated much, so there will be not much help coming from the rupee. So margins we expect to remain flat to negative for the most of the company. However, for the Infosys, we expect there will be improvement on the operating margins front to around 60 basis point on a sequential basis. Coming to the Infosys guidance for the FY13, we expect Infosys to raise its revenue guidance in the dollar term to around 6.5 to 7%. Earlier, Infosys have kept its guidance at around 5%. This raise in the guidance will be primarily driven by its recent acquisition of Lodestone Consulting in Europe. This will add to incremental 1.5 to 2% to the revenue. However, reset in the currency, that is dollar to INR, will lead to cut in the rupee EPS. Current EPS of rupees stand at around 166. We expect it will cut to around 2% driven by the currency reset. On the management commentary front, the state will keenly watch for the management commentary for Infosys and TCS. We believe that management commentary will be going to be relatively better than the last quarter, as there will be timely deal closure happening, and our recent interaction with the company management and also Accenture result, which has suggested a 24% Q-on-Q growth in the offshore booking. We expect the management commentary of the most of the company to be relatively better than the last quarter. Coming to the valuation front, we believe that the current environment is more conducive for the mid-tier IT companies as compared to the large cap IT companies. There is a large number of sub 50 million kind of deals happening in the marketplace, and further the restructuring and vendor consolidation of the deals are now favoring more to the mid-tier IT companies. In that case, we remain structurally positive for the mid-cap IT company for the next 12 to 18 months. The next 12 months, our topic in the mid-cap IT companies are CMC, Persistent System, and IT Technology. In the top tier IT companies, we continue to remain positive on HCL Technology. We have raised our target price for HCL Technology to 650 rupees. It was primarily driven by rollover of our target P to FY14 estimate. Thank you.